Hey everybody, it's Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. We are going to take a live tour today of the brand new Grand Design Transcend travel trailer. This is Grand Design's very first aluminum sided travel trailer, and we are one of the first dealers to get one on our lot today. They are just starting production on these trailers, and it's going to take a while before they're pretty available. But we do have one here, and I am going to show you around it here. I posted a little quick video of it earlier of the outside, so I'm just going to point out some really important features that are really unique to the Transcend. They didn't discount quality. It is light, it's cheaper than they imagine, but it is just as good as an Imagine as far as unique, high-end features, technology, and quality. So let's start with the outside. Okay, the first thing you're going to notice is this exterior. This is coated aluminum. It's 25% more durable than a regular aluminum-sided trailer. We have a power tongue jack already installed. We'll go this way first. We have we have pass-through storage. It's completely finished. Huge amount of pass-through storage. We have heavy-duty Westlake tires, just like on the Imagine. These have a 5-year warranty from Lion's Head, and they have a 12-month no questions asked replacement policy, and these are nitro sealed. This vinyl siding, this is actually automotive vinyl graphics, and there is a 5-year warranty on these graphics. This strong wall aluminum exterior is a 0.3 gauge aluminum sidewall skin. The front cap is actually 0.4 gauge. This is more durable. A regular aluminum sided travel trailer is only 0.025, and ours are 0.03 on the sidewalls and 0.04 on the front cap. The next thing you're going to notice is that there is a power awning already installed, and we do have marine grade waterproof speakers. We have a lightweight aluminum entry step. It doesn't rust or bind, and it's easy to open and close. This particular floor plan is a bunkhouse with a camp kitchen. We have a 2-burner cooktop right here and a mini fridge. And there's also storage here as well. This unit is solar ready. It's a plug and play from Furrion. There is a roof ladder already installed, and it does come with a spare tire. There is also a plug and play backup camera prep from Furrion already installed as well. In the front storage, that we do have a universal docking station, just like in all of the bigger Grand Design products. We do have a battery disconnect, so you don't have to worry about accidentally killing your battery. And there is motion sensor lighting in the front pass-through storage, in your doorway, so that you don't have to wander around in the dark trying to find what you need. We have magnet clip doors rather than the little plastic clips that break really easy. And like I said, this is half-ton towable. It's a lightweight aluminum sided unit. So now we checked out the docking station. We're gonna step inside and we're gonna check out the inside. This door, I don't know if you can tell in this video or not, but you can't slam it. It's a friction hinge. So even if the wind catches it, it's not gonna get away from you. So here's the interior. It's a little bit lighter than some of the other Green Design products as far as the wood tones, but it's a very clean, modern design. I think it's a great floor plan. It has a huge open living space with a lot of great interactive space. We've got a couch right across from the entertainment center, so you can interact a little easier, watch your movies, have more conversation, and the dinette is directly across from the kitchen. This RV does have an even flow heating system. All of the vents are integrated into the cabinets so that they don't end up in the floor. You can get dirt and grime in there, your pets can step on it. It creates weak spaces in your floor. So having those in the cabinets makes a huge difference. It distributes the hot air from front to back and not straight up. So that is a huge upgrade for an aluminum sided trailer. I'll turn around this way so you can see. This is an 82-inch interior ceiling. In the slide room, you've got 72 inches. So no matter how tall you are, you're going to be able to stand up in here comfortably. This has the same master suite that an Imagine has. It's residential, a 60 by 80 bed. We have a solid pocket sliding bedroom door for privacy. There is cabinet storage above and on both sides. And the bed is on gas struts so that you can store things under here. And you can easily raise this up without it falling on top of your head while you're getting stuff out. And you can also just as easily put it down. Very easy. There are outlets on both sides of the bed, and the right side does have USB ports, just like in the Imagine. So you can plug your electronics in when you go to bed at night. If we take a look at the kitchen, we've got a deep undermounted kitchen sink, big basin. We've got the residential kitchen faucet with the pull down sprayer hose. Makes it easier to get your dishes clean. We've got the glass flush mounted range cover. And this is a 3-burner with a super burner in the front. And then we have an oven for baking. We've got a residential and microwave. And we have tons of cabinet storage space overhead. There is a 6 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. Already a flat screen TV installed, and we do have a Jensen stereo system. And this is zoned, so you can put it inside or outside based on which area you are and you want to listen to. And this does have an auxiliary port and a USB port. Okay, there we go, we're connected now. Okay, so then we have our big, huge double bunks. 2 adults could sleep in each one of these, making this a place you could sleep 4 people. We've got storage here under the bed, and that bed folds up so you can store things. We also have the addition of 2 great big drawers right here, making this space super durable, or super workable and convenient. We have a huge bathroom, lots of counter space. We've got a corner vanity with storage underneath and a medicine cabinet above with a mirror. And then we have a big walk-in shower. And there is a fantastic fan here in the overhead vent. Here's a little shot of the flooring so you can see the colors. Cabinetry. We've got some dark furniture. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is the Grand Design Transcend. This is the very first one that we've got at our dealership. It will be quite a while before we get another one, so don't wait. If you're interested and you think it's really awesome like we do, come down and check it out. We're open until 5 today. We're open Monday through Friday until 6 p.m. We would love to show it to you. We'll have it here